All right, so the other practice problem I did want to go over was number 9. And this is actually kind of a tricky problem, not necessarily the math, but just kind of wrapping your head around what's going on. It does say Mateo is making bookmarks with different colored ribbon. The amount in each color is shown in the table. Each bookmark is going to be 1/6 of a yard long. How many more, which means we're going to have to subtract at the end, orange bookmarks, we're comparing orange, can he make then aqua bookmarks? So we're comparing the orange minus the aqua. So we have to, obviously, I guess the hardest part of this problem, which isn't really that difficult once it kind of clicks and you understand, if you find out how many orange bookmarks he can make and there's something left over, like there's some fabric left over, in this problem we're just going to throw that out because you wouldn't be able to make another bookmark, right? So I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Let's do the orange first. If you look in the table, it looks like we have 9/10 of a yard of paper for orange bookmarks, and we're cutting them into bookmarks that each are 1/6. If you keep, change, flip, I'm going to cross reduce. I'm going to divide these by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. 9 times 3 is 27. 5 times 1 is 5. I'm going to change this back. I ran out of room. Obviously, if I was using a pencil rather than a marker on the smartboard, I would have more room under here. But my next line would be 27/5. 5 goes into 27 5 times with 2 left over out of the next 5. So what I would do is I would say this is 5 bookmarks, and then aqua. Aqua, you have 3/4 divided by 1/6, same thing. I would do 3/4 times 6 over 1. I'm going to cross reduce the 6 and the 4, divide those by 2. That's 2 and 3. Oops, it's a 9. 9 halves. 9 halves is the same as 4 1/2. So again, normally I would use the entire number, like the entire mixed number, but if you can make 5 orange bookmarks total and you can only make 4 aqua, it says how many more? 5 minus 4 means we could make 1 full bookmark more. All right, that's number 9.